In this video, I'm going to give you my best tips for studying for your ATI nursing exams. This is a highly requested topic, and I am super excited to break the whole study process down for you. So hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell, and let's dive in. So I'm going to walk through the study process for rocking your ATI nursing exams here in this video, but I also have a free nursing school study checklist for you that walks through even more tips than I'll cover here. So don't miss out on downloading that. I will put a link down below in the description for you to snag it. Now, hands down, the most crucial rule you need to follow when studying for ATI exams is to start studying early. This is one of the top reasons I see nursing students fail their ATI exams. They don't give themselves enough time to prepare. And if your school does a mix of lecture exams and ATI exams, you have to juggle both of those. So do not procrastinate. Study a little bit every day and don't wait until the last minute. I recommend studying for at least an hour or two every day. Even if you just quickly review your notes in the Starbucks parking lot or run through flashcards while you wait to pick up your kids from school, you'll be really surprised at how much you remember when you take the exam. So make sure to study for at least an hour or two per day. Now, tip number 2 is to read the textbook and focus on reading the topics that your professors talk about in class. Your nursing textbooks are huge. They're ginormous. And I'd love to say that it's possible to read all of it, but that's not always the case. So the key will be to focus your study time on the things that actually matter. And in my experience, the best thing to focus on are the topics that your professors talk about in class. If your professors don't teach during lecture class, make sure to watch this video where I walk you through exactly what to do in that situation. So don't worry if you often leave class feeling more confused than when you went in. That video will walk you through what to do. So whatever topics your professors are covering in class, make sure to read those sections of the book. Now, before we get to the next tip, I want to give a shout out to Jennifer for our YouTube comment of the week, which said, "Can you please just move to the UK and be my mentor?" Thanks, Jennifer. That makes me so happy that our videos are so helpful for you. I wish we could all just have a big party sometime and hang out in real life. That would be pretty cool. Now, keep your comments coming, my friend. Not only do they tell YouTube that our videos are super cool and more people should see them, but they also make me smile and I love them. So thank you. Now let's get back to those ATI study tips. If you have access to the online ATI resources and modules, use it and go through that a little bit every day. There is a lot of material there, so you don't want to wait until the day before your exam to go through it all. I recommend going through those modules and taking notes on the things that you don't yet understand, and then pull up those topics in your book and learn more about it there. So along with reading the sections of the book that your professors covered in class, you will also want to read the parts from your online modules that you don't yet understand. The goal is not to read the entire book just for the sake of reading it. You want to focus your study time on the things that you don't yet know. So focus your study time on the things that you don't understand yet. Now, tip number 4 is to take all the practice tests. I recommend spacing them out so that you have time to go back and look at why you got the questions wrong. This is absolutely vital, friends. You must go through the rationales, especially for the questions that you got wrong. So don't just take all of the practice tests in one sitting. You want to space them out so you'll be able to take one, go through it and look at the rationales, and then take the next one. The goal is to increase your grade each time you take the practice tests. And a huge key to doing this is by going through the rationales and understanding why you got the questions wrong in the first place. So make sure to go through each question you got wrong and figure out why. In the next video, I'm going to tell you the bad habits that you need to break in order to be successful in nursing school. It's going to motivate and inspire you, so don't miss it. And don't forget to download your free nursing school study checklist where I walk you through the study strategies that I use to get straight A's through nursing school. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend, and click on one of these videos right over here so you can keep rocking nursing school and go become the nurse that God created only you to be. I'll catch you in the next video, my friend. Take care. Bye.